in general, whenever we talk about the SSL certificates, so we use these certificates for securing our remote desktop connections. Whenever you are trying to connect any PC on the remote location and try to hit the IP address inside the remote desktop application, so they will simply ask about the username and password. When you provide the credentials and hit enter, so in the next window they will ask for the certificate. If this certificate is assigned, so that's okay, but if this certificate is not installed, so you will see number of errors which you can see on your screen as well. So it means that you can establish the remote desktop session, but it's not that much secure.
Now, here we go. You can see that if I'm trying to connect with the remote server machine, so certificate is available. And when I click on the details of this certificate, so it's showing me the error that the CA root certificate is not trusted, which means that whenever I'm trying to get the detailed information about these certificates, so I just open the MMC console, press Control M, and here I select the computer account, and here we go. Now, if I'm going to check this certificate, so unfortunately, this certificate is not available in three major areas. The first one is personal, the second one is trusted root, enterprise trust, and then intermediary trust. And optionally, you can also copy that certificate, or you can say install that certificate into the trusted publisher. So by that way, you can easily overcome on this issue. So let's move and click on the install button. So we need to check the local machine and click next. Now next, and then place, and from here I need to select the personal. Press OK, OK, and finish. Here we go. The import was successful. Now I repeat these steps for all other certificate locations, and then I will go with the trusted root certificate, and one by one I will select and import that certificate. And when we complete this process, so you will be able to verify that now uh, we selected the enterprise trust. So then you will be able to select that this issue is automatically resolved because I have already installed the required certificate on the specified locations here. Because it's a self-signed certificate, so we need to install this certificate in all areas. Now it's time to select the last one, and here is the trusted publisher. Then click OK, finish. Okay. And now I can verify these certificates. I just click on the no button and click again to connect with this specific machine. Now I type the password and click OK. Now you will be see that the issue is completely resolved. Here we go. Now if I click on the view certificate, so now the issue is resolved. So the important thing is to understand the technology about the SSL, then its uses, and if you face any kind of problem, you need to isolate that specific area. And after isolating the area, then you will go with the suggested solutions and then implement those solutions, so problem will be automatically solved. So if you have any questions, any queries, so feel free to connect us via email, and also comment in the comment section as well. And if you have any basic kind of questions regarding the configuration, implementation, and all other topics related with the SSL, so the whole series is already uploaded on my channel. Thank you very much.